Since Google have just announced 60 new templates, if you haven't checked out Google Drive templates yet, now is a good time. But before we move into this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can be updated to our weekly videos. The new Drive user interface no longer contains the Create from Template option as in classic Drive. However, you can still get directly to a Create from Template option via the File menu in one of the Drive apps. Here's how. From within a Google Drive app, for example Doc, Sheet, Presentation, etc. Select File, New, and then click from Template. This then routes you to the Templates gallery for your Google Apps domain, where you can select a template. Making use of the many Google Drive templates or loading your own business or personal docs as a template for regular use can really save you time in Google Docs. The advantage to this change is that choosing a template from an open spreadsheet will take you to all spreadsheet templates, but it seems long-winded to have to open a new or existing spreadsheet to access a template. From the template page, you can choose to open one of the many public templates or a company personal template. Templates can be sorted by hottest, most users, or highest rating to instantly find the most popular templates, useful when sifting through the thousands of public templates. You can also narrow by the type of template, either a document, spreadsheet, presentation, form, or drawing. If you know exactly what you are looking for from a public template, choose to browse through the different categories. Categories are particularly useful for a business storing company templates. Google Apps administrators are able to edit and add categories in the control panel, so your company can design a useful template store for all users. You can add a template to your domain account by clicking on the Submit a Template link in the top right of the main templates page. Simply choose the Google Doc you want to upload as a template. Select any suitable categories, and it will appear in your list in a few minutes. Any templates that you upload are made available to all users in your domain. So, that's it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And see you next week.